Hi, my friend, Seeley Clark here. Just wanted to say personally, welcome to my email list. I'm so happy to have you here. I look forward to us working together and look forward to giving you lots of cool tips and tricks and ideas. One of the reasons I'm saying hello is I wanted to give you, first off, a little bit of advice on how to make sure that you don't miss any of my emails or announcements or anything of that nature. So I'll slide a lot of cool stuff your way. Also, if we need to have if we have a webinar at the drop of a hat or something super cool, I want to make sure that that message doesn't get, I'll get my head cut off. Look at that. I wanted to make sure that the message doesn't get shoved to spam or promotions or somewhere where you won't find it until after the fact, because I don't want you to miss out. So for those of you that don't know me, of course, my name's Seeley Clark. I live in Bangor, Maine. I've been working online for 10 years. I just want to help you succeed faster than I did. So part of that is keep in contact with your folks. Learn how to whitelist their emails and filter them. So anyhow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to whitelist emails from me. Now let's say this was an email from me. You're in your Gmail account. What you want to do is whatever Gmail address you opt into anybody's list with, make sure it's a good Gmail, one that you use and have access to and can use and have access to from your computer or your phone or tablet. That way, if something comes up, you'll see it come up. So let's say this is a message from me, and you see this come in. So what you're going to do is click on the message. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come over here to the right-hand corner, and you're going to put, there's a symbol here, it's a star. You star that, and it'll light up yellow. That's one of the first steps to whitelisting. Okay, that way it'll be starred. That's marked as important. Then you'll go over. There's the arrow, and there's the three dots. You click on those three dots, and it'll have this drop-down list. And you're going to want to go add me, in this case, to contacts list. So you click on that, and then down in the left-hand corner it says the sender has been added to your contact list. It may say the person's name, it may say Seeley Clark, but in this case it said sender. Now you're going to go back up to the top where the three dots are. You're going to grab that again, and then you're going to go down to the third one. It's reply, forward, and filter messages like this. Here's the important part, okay? Once we complete this process, all the messages you get from me, or most of the messages you get from me, should be over here in the left-hand side, and they're filtered in alphabetical order, okay, which is kind of cool. So they'll light up like that when you have them, new messages. See the leads, list leverage. I have new messages here, so I got to go check those. It tells me how many. So that is what you're going to do with this. So I'm going to show you how to filter. You go back, you hit filter messages like this. I'm going to keep this real simple. I just leave that. I hit create filter. And then you have a drop-down list here. The first thing you see, of course, you're going to hit skip the inbox at the top. That means it'll skip it and send it right into this folder. Then you're going to go, you can star it. You can have it star it if you'd like. But the other one is never send it to spam. And then if you look down at the bottom, it'll say also apply filter to matching conversations. Because by the time you see emails, there may be a couple of more that you did miss. So by the time you catch one to whitelist somebody, there may be other ones already that have landed. And what that does is it fetches them up so they're all in, well, you can't see me pointing. They're all in that tab. Okay, so skip the inbox, never send it to spam. Also apply filter to matching conversations. Then you're going to pick a name, and in this case, I already have it named, but if you want a new label, you click here, then you type in your new name. And since I already have list leverage, I'm going to put LL2 list leverage 2. Actually, let me do that so I know what it is. Leverage 2. All right, so then you hit create. So skip the inbox, never send it to spam, also apply filter. There, label list leverage 2 was created. This is down here on the left. Now for some reason it still sticks up here, so I always hit create filter. And I'm going to hit refresh. You want to see where it landed. Okay. List leverage 2. Bam. Came in right below list leverage. We created that. There it is. Okay, so they're all collected in one spot. I have other messages there. Might be a little different. I'll show you. So that is how you whitelist someone's, yep, see, bunch of them. Okay. That is how you whitelist someone's email address, so make sure you whitelist it, put me in the contacts, star the message you get from me, mark it as important. That's the other one you can do. Let's see. Star it is marketing it as important. In other, a Hotmail and Yahoo, there's very, very similar features where you can mark it as important. It'll have a star or it'll have another symbol like this beside it, okay? So that's how you do that. So make sure you start, which marks it as important, and then take and add that person to your contacts list, and then you go to filter messages. So that's pretty much it. I want to make sure I didn't forget anything. I was just thinking. You could smell the smoke through the camera, I'm sure. Anyways, once again, welcome. I'm very glad to have you here with me. I look forward to sending you bunches of cool stuff. And don't be shy. I'm a real dude up here in Maine. If you have any questions, just let me know. And I'll look forward to seeing you soon. Talk to you later. Bye.